Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to see your Instagram password if you have forgot it. So if you want to see your Instagram password if you forget it, so first of all you have to go into your Instagram account to see your username or user ID. So this is my username. So now what you have to do is go back and go into your Gmail account. Go into your Gmail account and here you will see this icon, your profile icon. Click on it and here you will see manage your Google account. Click on the manage your account. So when you click on the manage your account, you will see like this. Now what you have to do is just go into the security option. Click on the security option, and when you click on the security option you have to scroll down. And now I am going to scroll down here. So here you will see password manager option. Just click on this password manager option and wait for a few seconds and it will show up here. Now you have to scroll down and here you will see Instagram. So now here is instagram.com. Now I have to click on it and use, and now here you will see this is my Instagram ID and this is the password. So whenever you click on this, you will see that the password, and if you want to see, you can click on this if you want don't want, if you want to copy, just click on this copy. So like this you can see your Instagram password or Instagram account password if you forget. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.